Mudyanan Almugo. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You look so beautiful tonight. And with that, aside from your family, your supporters, pati mo rin yung ating makeup artist and handler at the backstage.
As I stand here tonight, I would like to thank Sir Lester for making me so gorgeous and keeping up with my confidence. Thank you so much, sir.
Alright, aside from that, your family and your loved ones, please.
My heart is full tonight as I have received a lot of support from my family, from my friends, and especially to my Almugo family. Thank you so much.
Alright, so I bet you're ready. Please keep one and good luck. So here's the question. Farming is often seen as a low status job by many youths today. How would you help restore pride and dignity in being a farmer in Alegria? Again, farming is often seen as a low status job by many youths today. How would you help restore pride and dignity in being a farmer in Alegria?
Thank you for the question. Alegria proudly stands as one of the rice baskets and is the gateway of Surigao del Norte. And this wouldn't be possible if it weren't for the hands who not only till the soil but also feeds the nation, the hands of our farmers. I believe that we must remind our youth the honor and the pride and the badge of resilience that our farmers stand. And if we instill that truth to the youth and the people, I believe that we can build a camaraderie where we promote our agricultural products within Alegria and beyond its borders, so that the world can not only taste our fruit of labor, but also sees the faces behind the fields. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mudyanan Almugo. Alright, we are gathered with our first guest, and now we're ready to call and send us